how to add a video in Webflow in 2024. So here I've just logged into my Webflow account, and then this has taken me to the dashboard. Now simply select the website for which you want to add a video and open it in the website designer here. Now my website looks like this, and let's say I want to add a video right here. So we're simply going to click on the plus sign here to add elements, or we can press the A letter on our keyboard, and this will open up a page like so, from which we have to scroll down until we see the option for media, or the section for media, and here we can do video. Simply drag and drop this onto your website and wherever you wanna play a video, and it's going to look like this. We have to type out the URL right here, which we can get by copying it from the URL bar. I have a video copied here, so I'm just going to paste it, and we will need to set a title for it. For example, I'll do ClickUp tutorial. Basically, after you have filled this out, you can close this, and this will successfully add our video to our Webflow website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.